Hey guys, this video is for a Badlands winch, 3,500 pound capacity. This one can be found at Harbor Freight for, I think it's $128. I had a 20% off coupon. I also bought some good tie downs here. Altogether, I think I was out the door for 122 bucks. Not a bad deal. What I ended up doing is going down to the Polaris dealership to find the actual winch mount, and the mount right here, this is the number. It was 54 bucks out the door. Once I had that, then all I had to do is take off this front bumper. These are Torx 27 right in here. There's only 4 of them. There's long bolts that actually run through to actually tie to the frame here. So once you get that removed, there's this actual crossbar that goes around here. There's another 27, some bolts under here, and then on this side too. Once you remove that, you have all the room that you need to actually get the mount in. Once you do so, you can get your winch in. The winch itself was rather easy after I got that stuff removed. However, this product adds too much cordage to this. These wires are 4-gauge wires, I believe. And what I'm going to end up doing is going down to the store later on and picking up a new set. Maybe like a 1 foot to 2 foot cable. The 1 foot will actually go off from the winch to the solenoid, and then the 2 foot cable will be replacing these power cables or battery cables. The actual remote itself, right here, I had actually just fallen down through here. Had to take off the headlight cover so that way I can actually wire it down in and use the existing harness to actually go through and do so. I'll probably end up snipping that cable as well, as there is quite a bit of it. But other than that, for a 2018 Sportsman 570 Utility Edition, again, I haven't been able to find very much information on this particular model or this particular winch. So if you guys were looking for something, here's something for you. So it's a pretty quick, straightforward install, and the Polaris mount does work with this winch. And here's those product ID again. Alright, hopefully that helps out some of you guys out there, because I know that I was having some issues with it, but it's pretty straightforward and the mount does fit. Alright, bye.